So are you ready? Because I'm going to jump into my all-time favorite product from Norwex Skincare. It is the Illuminating Oil. I call this a liquid gold. Look at the way I'm holding it. You know I love it. So it nourishes, it hydrates, it protects the skin. It gives us a very dewy, radiant glow. It has 50, I'm still holding it that way. It has 15 skin healthy oils plus Nordic superfoods like bilberry, red algae, black oat, and Arctic cloudberry. Your skin will literally drink it in. The illuminating oil contains plant-derived vitamins and antioxidants and key Nordic superfood ingredients that nourish our skin and restores an inner glow. It works with our skin, right? Doesn't sit on top of it. It gives us a bright, dewy finish. I'm seriously obsessed with this product, if you can't tell from the smile on my face. It is USDA certified, 100% bio-based content from plants and other renewable sources. That's amazing. 100% pure plant-derived natural oils. It has been dermatologist tested for allergy and irritancy, and it's formulated without all the nasty stuff. So you can feel confident in Norwex's commitment to clean. So no parabens, no phthalates, no formaldehyde, gluten, synthetic dyes, synthetic fragrances. You're never going to find that in any of our skincare products, but definitely not this little guy. I love the potent blend because it nourishes, it protects, it gives a nice healthy glow. I love the powerful antioxidants. Our skin needs it. It provides truly intense hydration to nourish the skin and restore a very youthful appearance. It does help to achieve a dewy glow, but it's not greasy, which I love that. It restores suppleness to the skin. It's lightweight. It absorbs in super fast. And like I mentioned, with all of our skincare ingredients, we have a commitment to quality. This is vegan and never tested on animals. This product can actually be purchased alone. Here I go again. Or part of our money-saving complete skincare set. And you're just going to love it. So I recommend when you fall in love with it, you want to put it on auto ship and save because you're going to save 10% every time. And you'll always get that 10% off. So that is the best deal with it. So let's use this. All right. I'm dying to use it. So today I've done all the skincare steps up to this product and my skin just feels great. So the last thing I used was the other product in our moisturizing line, which is the hydrating moisturizer. All right. So with your illuminating oil, by the way, this is a brand new design, brand new bottle, which I'm praising the Lord for this because it is a new pumper. It's called Every Last Drop Pumper. Okay. So you just pump the pump and it pulls the product right in. The pumper goes all the way to the bottom. So you're going to get every single last drop, which I'm obsessed with. And it has a little gripper stopper on the inside. So if you've ever owned illuminating oil before, the last bottle was much different. And I have been victimized by this product because I accidentally spilled it more than one time and all of the oil went all over my bathroom counter. So what I love about this new design is that it's kind of spill proof, right? So the stopper is going to catch that product before it spills out. So thank you, Norwex, for that. All right. So let's get 3 to 5 drops. All right. 1, 2, 3. All right. I'm just going to do 3. Show you guys. All right. And you want to cleanse go up, face and neck, or put it on the face and neck morning and night. This locks it all in, guys. This is keeps everything that you've applied in place and just gives it a safe barrier, right? You can apply it after the hydrating moisture like I did today, or you can just mix a couple drops directly into the hydrating moisturizer and rub them together and then apply it on your face, especially if you're running short on time. That's a nice, easy thing to do. I also apply it on my hair. My hair's not down right now, but I will put it on the end. Look, I'm doing it right now. Like the ends of my hair when they're dry, I put it on my cuticles, on the back of my hands. And you guys, the ingredients in this are amazing. They're bilberry, red algae, black oat, which are Nordic antioxidant rich ingredients. They are known to help fight the daily stressors. There's also apricot, sunflower, and coconut and avocado oils. These are natural oils. They're known to provide a lightweight, nourishing moisture. Evening primrose, which is ultra moisturizing. It helps keep the skin supple. It works to enhance the elasticity. Arctic cloudberry, which I love. I love that ingredient. It is a Norwegian superfruit that thrives in harsh conditions, and it also contains antioxidants that helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So you know I'm going to be obsessed with that one. This is food for your skin. Be prepared. Like I'm telling you, be prepared to fall in love with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you again real soon. Bye, guys.